Hi, welcome to Simply Scrapping. Narelle here. Today I'm doing a layout for Mixed Media Mayhem. I'm not that great at mixed media, that's my disclaimer straight up, but I have fun playing along, and I'm sure as I do it more I'll get better at it. So I'm not as scared of it as I was when I first started. So for this week we needed to use texture, the colour blue, and a wet medium. Right, so the collection I'm using is No Limits from Cocoa Vanilla, and part of the package that I got in the collection, I also got this. It is a wood veneer stars from American Crafts. This is the packet it was in. I'm not sure how old it is. I know it's been in my stash for quite a few years now already. So I thought, well, that's my texture. It's wood, so I'm hoping that that is texture enough for the challenge. Now my colour blue is the background paper, and my embellishments have blue in them, and my wet medium is twinkling H2Os in gold. So I've added water to this so it gets paint like. And then I also have, besides these embellishments, I have packs of things that I've now hidden. I've got these stickers. I'm not sure they're going to make it on the page, but I also have some enamel dots in the shape of stars and some buttons. So that's what I'm playing with. Now my idea for the wet medium is, oh sorry, these are the photos. My son, when he was little, they had a dress up day at school and he wanted to go as a policeman. So I, on one of his hats, I glued on some felt, cut out the word police, got some gold trim and some gold stars, stuck them on, and then on one of his school shirts, because his school uniform happened to be blue, which is very handy, got a couple of sew-on patches, I think, from Spotlight, and sewed them to the arm, and he had a plastic police badge from a show bag, I think, somewhere along the line, and yeah, he thought that was amazing. He was the ants pants, and he was so proud to go to school that day. So they're the photos I'm doing, and my embellishments are just from the die cut packets. These three are stars that I've fussy cut out of one of the patterned papers because I needed a bigger star to go in some of these stars. And then I've just got the odd embellishments. Awesome is the title, a frame, and then a cut apart to sit that on, and a journaling spot and some other bits and pieces. So they're the embellishments. Right, so for this, oh, I'm sorry, my voice, I'm still suffering from the effects of whatever it was I had, COVID, flu, whatever, and my voice sometimes goes really squeaky, and sometimes I go to say something and nothing will come out, or a tiny little squeak will come out, and then I get in the fits of giggles because I can't talk. Anyway, and I will cut out or mute any bits that I cough in. So what I thought I'd do is paint in some of these stars with the gold metallic, so that's my wet medium. So my main photo is going to go there, and then just arrange them simply like this. I think I want to put the journaling spot in the middle here, and I got the fussy cut stars. I'm going to put in some of these stars. Okay, that, whoops, if I keep moving everything, it's not going to work. I think I wanted one like here, because my journaling spot's going there. I'm going to move that up a little bit because my title is coming down here, so I need to make sure I leave room for that. But some of the smaller stars around, I wanted to do the gold in them. So I'm not sure whether I should paint them before I put this on, like trace around inside and paint them, or whether I should put this on and paint. I have a feeling I'm going to have to put this on and then paint, because otherwise things are going to keep moving on me. So I'm thinking I might do that. Right, so I'm probably going to speed up what I'm doing. You don't want to sit here and watch me paint the gold paint. If you have any questions at all about, oh, hang on, that side's better. What side should I do now? Well, that's like deeper colour with a self, like a stripe on it, or do I want to go? Decision. I'm going on the darker side, I think. I'll pick up more of the goldy colour in the embellishments. I don't know. Can you know, is there ever a right side to this wood stuff that's laser cut? Yeah, anyway, as I was saying, if you have any questions about what I do, what I'm using, then pop them below. I love reading comments. I respond to every single comment I get. And I just think it's really special that someone's A, taken time to watch me playing with paper and things, and B, they're interested enough to comment, say thank you, or something they like about the page, or even suggestions, what you didn't like, what I could do better, something you think I did wrong, something I can improve on. Any of those thoughts, I love them all. So, you know, just don't be abusive, because that's not nice. No one needs that in their life. Yeah, so if you want to leave me a comment, I would love that. And I will see you at the end when this is complete. Enjoy! Okay, there's my completed page. I kept it pretty simple in that I didn't want to add too many different embellishments. I kept with the star theme. There's lots and lots of stars on there. There's no reference to police or anything on there. I just took inspiration from the stars on his hat and his sleeve. Little bit disappointed in how the gold paint came out, but I don't know, it sort of, it's there. You can see that it shimmers. I probably just didn't paint it as carefully as I should have. Maybe a second coat would have filled it in nicer, but yeah, it's too late now. It is what it is. It is done, and that is my page. I have used blue, I've used texture in the wood veneer, and I've used a wet medium, which was my gold paint. Linked below will be everyone else who is playing along with the Mixed Media Mayhem. So make sure you go and visit them, like and subscribe, comment on their videos, show them some love. And if you have enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Hit that notify bell so you know when my next video comes out. And thank you so much for watching. Have a scrap happy day, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye bye. I just wanted to jump back in because I did repaint the gold stars, and I think it made a really big difference. They look so much better now, but can you see where I wrecked it? Oh, I tried to do splatters, gold splatters, and I got big blobs instead. Look at that. I don't know if that's going to show. Look here. Yuck. So I've wrecked it. I got grey. Anyway, and then I got hardly any splatter over here, but I'm hoping that people won't notice. The people who are going to see the album are not creative at all, so, you know, they're not going to know. But yeah, sometimes you should leave things alone and just let it be. Anyway, thanks for watching. Catch you later.